Taihu Pearl, Beijing-Hangzhou Canal. This is the beautiful scenery of Wuxi. High Mountain adheres to the original aspiration, creates miracles, writes brilliant chapter through extraordinary process. High Mountain Pipe, unity to win the future. Since its inception, High Mountain always keep corporate responsibility in mind, to create high-quality products, to provide professional technical service, to build a national brand of excellence. High Mountain Pipe is dedicated to the manufacturing and sales of various kinds of plastic pipes, fittings, valves, related plumbing equipments, etc., and can provide a professional solution method for a complete pipe system. The production and sales volume of leading products of PE water supply pipes and HDPE drainage pipes ranks among the highest in the industry. Efficiently treating our customers as partners with sincerity, specialization, and satisfaction is our managerial principle. Attributed to the backup of a dedicated technical team filled with wide and profound knowledge and practice in pipes and world trade for over 10 years. The company owns rich experience in product quality control, technical solution, logistics organization, packaging optimization, port operation, etc., which accounts for its first-class cost control management and ensures to maintain the overwhelming competitive advantage over others. Developed to now, the company covers an area of about 200,000 square meters and has 6 workshops, 30 production lines, 300 workers, and 200,000 tons annual ability. It is a comprehensive enterprise integrating science, industry, and trade. The industries involved are research, production, development, manufacturing, and polymer materials of plastic pipes. All products meet the requirements of national inspection standards or enterprise inspection standards. In line with the principle of sharing the preferential cost in joint development, the company has formed an interesting community for years with its customers at home and abroad. Sincerely to build up a pleasant mutual trust, cooperative win-win, and value-added sustainable partnership is what we are achieving to grow together with you.
我们始终坚持产品质量第一、服务一流的发展理念，走创新发展之路，与行业领先企业合作，用产品推动发展，用服务赢得客户，用专业深耕市场，实现了稳步发展的目标。我们将继续紧紧依靠以人才为中心，打造一流运营团队，发挥优势，以真诚、服务、专业、创新的理念，实现与国内外合作伙伴的共同发展。